Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add social media icons to your Weebly website. This is a simple yet powerful way to connect your site visitors directly to your social media profiles, helping you grow your online presence and keep your audience engaged across multiple platforms. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to Weebly.com. Once the page loads, log into your Weebly account by entering your username and password. After signing in, you'll arrive at your dashboard where you can manage all your websites and access various editing tools. Now direct your attention to the left side menu. You'll see an option called Websites. Click on it, and just below that, you'll find Edit Site. Go ahead and select that option. This will display a list of all the websites you've created and manage through Weebly. From this list, choose the specific website you want to work on by clicking on it. Once you've selected your site, look to the right side of the screen where you'll see an Edit button. Click it to enter the site editor where you can make all your customizations. Make sure you're currently on the Build tab at the top of the editor. This section contains all the elements and components you can add to enhance your website. Now, look at the left side panel where you'll find a variety of draggable elements. Scroll through these options until you locate social icons. This particular element allows you to display clickable icons that link directly to your social media profiles. When you find social icons, simply click and drag it to the area on your page where you want it to appear. You have complete flexibility in placement, so choose a spot that makes sense for your layout. After dropping the element onto your page, click on the social icons block you just added. A settings menu will appear, and from there, select Manage Icons. This is where you'll configure which platforms to display and link them properly. In the Manage Icons section, you'll see a list of available social media platforms. Click on each platform you want to feature on your site, whether that's Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, or others. For each selected platform, you'll need to paste the URL of your actual profile page. This ensures visitors are directed to the correct account when they click an icon, and there you have it.